Hi, and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to talk about adding a course to one of your current students. So basically, you may want to add a course, maybe you're giving a free bonus. So you have a student that's already registered. Let's say I have someone registered for returning to work from COVID-19 shutdown, and I want to add Susan's test course. And so I'm going to go to the students, and then I'm going to find the student that I want to add their freebie or their bonus or whatever reason you would have. And I'm going to actually go to page 2. Oh, wait, let me just quickly go show this. If you hover over this little button, the little picture, it will show you all the courses each student has. So most of these students are just returned to COVID-19. That's the only course that I actually at this time have made public. So for now, I'm going to take this Susan Silva. Wait, that's me. Anyway, my second course, and you can see I only have the one course, and I want to add the course to it. So I'm going to click on my name, and then I'm going to go to courses, and then I'm going to go to assign a course. There's a little plus sign. And pick which course. You can actually give more than one. Maybe you have your best friend you want to give all your courses to. You could just go down the line and click. But for now, I'm just going to add the Susan's test course. And then I'm going to assign it. Excuse me. And now I am going to, that is actually it. It is now on here. But I just wanted to show this too. You have over on the right, you have your copy magic link. Now I could send them that link, and that is how they get their account in one button. I just thought that's worth noting that you could do that from there. It's the same link, I believe, on both of the courses. But if they don't have the magic link, you can get that there. So then I'm going to go back to students, and now you should see when I do the drop down. Okay, we'll have to go back to page 2. That has both courses when you hover over the name. Anyway, that is it. It's super simple. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.